Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 and I'm going to show you how to fix camera not working or crashing. When the camera app on your phone crashes, freezes, displays a black preview screen, or throws a warning camera failed error, the issue is usually caused by a corrupted app cache, permission conflicts with third-party apps, or temporary camera driver lockups. At first, you need to open your phone's settings and scroll down to the apps. Now, scroll down to the letter C, which is here. Open camera, scroll down to the storage, and here I've got two options: clear cache or clear data. Clearing the camera app data resets internal camera configuration and clears temporary buffer files without deleting your saved photos and videos. So, at first clear cache, then clear data. Delete, and now return to the camera app and regrant permissions if prompted. So, apart from that, if it still doesn't want to work, you need to open the camera app and tap this 4 squares icon right here. Tap this gear icon and scroll all the way down here. Reset settings and reset. If custom resolution settings, experimental shooting modes, or flex mode previous features are misconfigured, you need to do this and everything should be fine. If it still doesn't want to work, you need to check system-wide camera access permissions. So, open the settings and scroll down to the security and privacy. Here you need to go straight to the where is that? Wait a moment, I need to find it. Controls and permissions, and you need to find permission more security settings, and here we should have it. I think so. No, we don't see it here. Okay, I found it. I just missed one word. We've got more security settings, and it was more privacy settings right here. Open more privacy settings, and now here tap permission manager right here. Open camera, and now here. Android includes a privacy toggle that completely disables camera hardware access all apps. If toggled off, opening the camera results in a black screen or instant crash. So ensure that camera access for camera app is turned on. So apart from that, you need to check for conflicting applications like flashlight, QR readers, or social media. If another application is holding onto the camera hardware background log, like for example Snapchat, Instagram, a video calling app, or a third-party flash utility, the native camera app cannot initialize. Open recent apps by swapping this bottom bar up or tapping these 3 lines. And here you need to tap close all, then open the camera back again and it should work. If it doesn't want to work, you need to open the settings and here warranty and care. Scroll down to the diagnostics, and here in the diagnostics you need to perform the camera test right here. Test again, and you need to verify here an internal camera sensor or flex connector is failing. If it checks that it works, it's fine. However, if it doesn't want to work, you need to contact device support. And of course, if it says normal, you need to test. I told you that it's final thing, but it's actually not, because it's final thing once you've got here some abnormalities. But here, if you have it normal, you need to test your camera in the safe mode. Hold the power button and the volume button. Hold your finger on the power off and click safe mode. In the safe mode, you need to, all the applications, third-party applications, are isolated. So you need to check if any third-party application is trying to do so. So if the camera works fine in the safe mode, but it doesn't want to work here in normal phones, iOS, you need to uninstall all the applications that you installed previously connected with the camera. So that should be actually it. How to exit the safe mode? Just restart your phone. Bye.